Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fill the cleaning solution tank. In order to fill the cleaning solution tank on ROBOROCK Saros 10R, you will need to remove the door right here. So let's get them open, and now you will find this cleaning solution tank. Now pull it out, and you can now simply open it up like so. Fill it in with the solution. Make sure the solution is the ROBOROCK solution, because all the other ones can lead to corrosion or damage, and we don't want that. So make sure it's the correct cleaning solution. Fill it in, close it, and now simply you can push it back in and close the door. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.